Hello everybody, this is Squirrel Stapler, a game about hunting squirrels and nothing else. Oh. Oh. We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish to make her beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. That is really gross. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood, 3,500 a month in LA. In 5 days, God is coming. Okay. I hear one. Oh, is that a squirrel? Caught myself a squirrel, okay. Oh, hello. That's a massive squirrel. Dude, there's squirrels everywhere. Let's check out this place. More ammo. Oh, I believe that was my last squirrel. These are no squirrels for today. I should head back home. Honey, I'm home. Oh. You are sleeping. Morning, honey. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice is divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. Hey, that's kind of outdated. Day 2. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Use the call, F, to track and lure the big squirrel. Okay. The big squirrel is near. Oh yeah, he's like right over there. Yep. Dang it. That's kind of cool. Okay, I just need the big one now. Over here, I guess. Holy crap! That's a big squirrel. These are enough squirrels for today. I should head back home. Honey, I'm home. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. Oh, you're so silly, honey. Verse 3. Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for proper times, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Okay. In 3 days, God is coming. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Oh, that's not nice. Yeah, there are tracks. Something out there is hunting me. Oh, I think I forgot to read the note from that radio tower. Whoops. What? What is that? What in tarnation? What was this? Squirrel fact. Squirrels use chemosensory leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antenna. That's pretty neat. What was that? Dude. Bro. What was that? Oh. God, that was a lot. The big squirrel is near. Come on! These are enough scrolls for today. I'm home, honey. Oh, there you are. In this way, the squirrel is good, the lobster is bad. Wherefore, squirrels may die so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters may live so that lobsters may die. Well, I love lobster because it tastes so good. Day 4. A bonus double squirrel. Oh, hello, wife. Glad you've come to join me. The big squirrel is near. Oh, and that one too. Yep, I didn't reload. No, I missed. How'd I miss? Dang it! Dude, they take so much bullets. That way. There you are. Squirrel fact. Squirrels' claws are very sharp and are enough to tear out eyeballs. Mm. Yeah, you're not very smart, pal. I'm home, honey. Ugh. And I say unto you, in those final days the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. Well, I'm just trying to make my wife beautiful. I don't know what your, God is coming today. Good luck. Shoot. Where? Yes. Oh, let's go. Empty. Hello. Dude, they do tons of damage. I need more bullets. Bro! This might be the end, fellas. No! Dang it! How do I restart? Okay, there we go. Morning, honey. You didn't see that. Squirrel fact. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made them very, very angry. Well, I have a gun, and I'm gonna shoot as many squirrels as I can shoot. Yeah. And I'm gonna beat this game. I mean, what? Fourth wall break. Dude! How many bullets? God, dude. Dude. I'm getting that health, bro. Double squirrel. Oh, I just need one more, but okay. Oh, shot him in the tail. There you are. It found me. Please. And one of you. God is coming. Schnitzel. Oh, there's people singing. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, guess I'm about to meet God. I repent. Where is he? Oh! Well, that was Squirrel Stapler. You could check it out on Steam. Thanks for watching, guys.